Hey everyone, this is Jesse coming at you with a brand new cooking video. In today's video, we are going to be making a vegetable stir fry. So for the stir fry I'm going to be making, we've got 3 different vegetables here. So we've got snow peas, we've got broccoli crowns, and we've got some carrots. So for what I'm going to be making here, we've got roughly somewhere between 1/4 and 1/2 pound of snow peas, and I cut them up in half. We've got just over 1/4 pound of the broccoli crowns here cut up, and then I cut up a single carrot here. For the most part, it's cut up into quarters. There's still a few pieces that are halves in there, just the smaller pieces. And then up here we've got a minced up garlic clove. Looks a little odd there because the garlic cloves were in the freezer, so they kind of look a little gel-like when I pulled them out, but they should be okay. We also have 2.5 tablespoons here of olive oil. So I've got 1.5 measured out here, and then I've got 1 measured out here. And then we also have our salt shaker. So when we're done, we're gonna have a vegetable stir fry that we can eat kind of on its own, or we can serve it with another dish if we want. I'm just gonna be eating it by myself. Well, my fiance and I are gonna be eating it, but we're just gonna be eating this, not with another dish or anything. So to start here, we're gonna get the 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm gonna put it inside of my wok here. Now you don't have to use a wok if you don't have one, but this will make things a little bit easier. So I'm gonna crank this up here, and we're just gonna let that heat up here for a bit. And once it's heated up, we'll start putting vegetables in. Okay, now that the wok is up to temperature, we are gonna put the vegetables in here. And mix it around. Get the vegetables I dumped off here. Kind of just stir this around a little bit. So what we're going to be looking for here is for these vegetables to start turning a really bright color. So we'll start to see the carrots pop with a really bright orange color, and then we'll see the peas and the broccoli turn a really bright green. Once that happens, we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so our vegetables have turned the bright color that we were looking for. So what I did was I kind of pushed them all off to the side to make a little hole in the center. And what we're going to do here is add the garlic there into the center. And let that simmer there for about 30 seconds or so. And in the meantime, I'm going to sprinkle some salt here on the vegetables. So just going to let that cook there. And when our 30 seconds is up, or just about 30 seconds or so, we're going to put on this last tablespoon here of the olive oil. We're going to put that right here on top of the garlic. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Let that sizzle here for just a few seconds. And after we do that, we're going to stir it all in together. My garlic smell like a really nice touch to it here. So what we're going to do here is essentially let this simmer for another couple of minutes, and then we'll be ready to serve. So our 2 minutes is up, and now it looks and smells fantastic. Now it's time to serve it up. And that is how you make vegetable stir fry. Like I said, you can eat this as is, which is what we are going to do, or you can also serve it with another dish. I've served this with chicken before. Tastes fantastic. And this is a especially great recipe, especially if you are a vegetarian. So I'm going to take these, and my fiance and I are going to have a nice, healthy dinner.